Hey everyone, welcome back. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to make chocolate biscuit pudding. This is without eggs, without gelatin and without oven as well. If you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay connected. Let's get started. Let's check out the ingredients. I have taken half a liter of milk, 3 tablespoons of biscuit crumbs, half a cup of palm sugar, you can use white sugar as well, 4 tablespoons of custard powder, 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder and quarter cup of milk to mix cocoa powder and custard powder. Grease the molds and set it aside. Add 6 to 8 tablespoons of milk to the custard powder. Mix it thoroughly without lumps. Add 6 tablespoons of milk to the cocoa powder. Mix it well and keep it aside. Into a pan, add 500 ml of milk. Use thick milk for better taste. Add half a cup of sugar. Mix well. Let it boil for 5 minutes on medium heat. It's been boiling for 5 minutes and it's getting thick. Now let's add cocoa powder mixture into the milk pan and stir well. Time to add custard mixture. Keep stirring constantly. Make sure there's no lumps. Bring the flame to low and cook for 3 minutes. Our chocolate pudding is nice and smooth. Turn off the flame. In a bowl, add 3 tablespoons of pudding mixture. Into this, add 3 tablespoons of biscuit crumbs. This will give a nice crunch when we bite on it. Mix it thoroughly. This is the base for the pudding. Now let's add the biscuit base into the molds. This pudding is made from simple household ingredients and can be made in no time. Top it up with chocolate pudding. Let it cool down completely. Then in the freezer for 30 minutes. Do try this recipe and share your feedback about the recipe in the comments below. Our delicious chocolate biscuit pudding is ready to serve. Serve it chill. Thank you all so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.